Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza tomato sauce. First, selecting the right tomatoes is crucial for a delicious base. Opt for high-quality canned varieties, as they offer consistent flavor year-round. Many chefs prefer San Marzano tomatoes for their balanced sweetness and low acidity. Whether you choose crushed or whole peeled, ensure they are ripe and flavorful for the best results. Once you have your tomatoes, proper preparation is key. If using whole peeled tomatoes, drain any excess liquid to prevent a watery sauce. You can then crush them by hand for a wonderfully rustic texture, which many find ideal for pizza. Alternatively, for a super smooth, seedless sauce, running them through a food mill is an excellent option, giving you a restaurant-quality consistency. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for that fresh scent. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Begin by gently sautéing minced garlic and finely diced onion in a good quality olive oil until fragrant and softened. This creates a foundational aromatic base. Next, stir in fresh basil, dried oregano, and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. A tiny amount of sugar can also be added to balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to cook the sauce. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For an even deeper, richer taste, you can simmer it for longer, up to 1 hour, stirring occasionally. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.